Hello guys, so today we're going to show you how we install fluorescent lights, new LED style lights inside of the garage area. So we're just going to get geared up with our journeyman here, and he's going to show you how we install these lights in the garage area. So here we are in our garage. We have a 4-foot a 4-foot LED light fixture. They're a strip light, a new type of light, surface mount. So Chris is just showing here how he takes the cover off and on. It's a plastic cover that goes over the top of the light, as you can see. And we'll put a link in the description below where to buy these, or you can just come right over to the website and go to our recommended products, and we'll show where to buy these. So yeah, go ahead and put the cover off there, Chris. And inside you can see there's a strip, an LED strip down the whole thing. So we actually call these an LED strip light. So now he's going to go ahead and take the other cover off. So yeah, we just take a screwdriver and pop the edges off, and the whole light will pop out and then come apart. And then inside we have an LED ballast, 120 to 277, and then the light controller here, which is the quick connects or the easy plug-in. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug this part here from the actual light strip so we can go ahead and put the back of the light fixture up. And then you'll notice in the back here there's 1/2-inch knockouts where we're going to come in through with the light. And we're going to line it up and show you how we actually do, here's some hardware there. I actually do the install. You want to hang on to that. And these are actually color temperature select as well, which is great. Adjustable light output. So we're going to put these on 5K because this is the garage area. Switchable white, and we're going to put them up to 5K. So all these newer style lights now have selectable drives on them that you can put them to what you want. It even has an easy quick connect for your wires to come in white and black. So just bear with us and we'll show you the rest here. So here we're actually going to mount the light. As you can see, coming through the back of the light is a connector. So we're going to push that up, and we have our wires coming down through into the back of the connector. We're going to push that up and mount it on the ceiling. This is usually a 2-guy job, just because it makes it easier for measuring and putting the light fixture up. So we're probably going to have to put some anchors in these, just because it's not fastening up into the drywall properly. So that's what our guy is going to grab right now. And we'll come back to this in a second. So we actually have our fixtures up, and what we're going to do now is strip the back of the conductors. And then shove them into the quick connects. So he's putting the white in on the white side, and then the black will go in on the black side. It will take up to 2 conductors, which is what we're doing here. Is the fluorescent lights looped together, and then he's got to twist the grounds together and put an extension piece on to get over to the green over there that you see up in there. So we'll give him a minute to do that. So now he's actually doing up the ground inside the box. We're going to tuck these wires up in and put the cover back on here in a second. I'm going to hand him the other part of the fixture, if I can find it. Oh, there it is. So, yeah, here's the other part of the fixture. Yep. Now this part plugs back together. It just simply snaps together. And this is connecting the LED lights to the driver. And then comes the tedious job of trying to get everything up in there so it doesn't short out. So you got to make sure the wires are all pushed up in there. Nice and neat and tidy. And then it should just clip back up into place. Yeah, there we go. We just got the cover on the front. One clip here in the center that's not in on my side. Yeah, right there. There you go. And then we install the cover. And that is a garage LED strip light for rated for 5K. So we don't have them powered up yet, but we'll come back to this later on when we get everything powered up. And there you have it.